Hey guys, just gonna do a kind of a live, like uncut, unedited unboxing of the VMS 18x5 offset -12. The inside hub is gonna be a little smaller on the vehicle, so I do have adapters coming. It's just like basically like a cheap plastic ring that you put on the inside of the wheel, and then that way it can mount. I think the inside diameter is like 70 or 71. So basically it just kind of sleeves the inside of the wheel outside of the hub assembly. That way it's got more surface area contacted. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these quick. One thing I can tell you guys about the VMS is I love how they package these. Even like the first ones I got, the rear ones, the box is so like well reinforced. They like took the time to put like the thick corners on. Everything's labeled on every corner so that nothing's mixed up. I really like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and carefully bring these down one by one. It's actually just a quick insight on these guys. I actually ordered these on Black Friday. They were originally, I think, like $5.50 for both. I ended up getting them for I think it was $3.74 after tax and shipping on Black Friday. So I basically almost saved $200 on the two wheels alone, which was nice. I'm glad I waited. So I'm gonna go ahead and carefully open these up. And I had such a fun time opening the packaging for the rear wheels, which you can see, because they just do such a good job. I'm not sure, I've never ordered wheels before, so I'm not sure if this is just like a normal thing for wheel companies. We see it says a diameter right there. Okay. Take off this first cover, and then you have, it's like this, obviously a bag, but inside the bag you have like a ring protector with like a net over it. So bear with me for 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna stand it up. Okay. So then you got this bag, which I'm gonna take off right now. Okay, and then what you're left with is, it's like a ring. It's like a plastic ring with a net. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. Okay, there's a plastic ring, and I'm gonna put all this back on after I kind of put it on the side of the vehicle. I already put my brick down with a towel or a shop rag, that way it doesn't scratch anything. I'm just gonna kind of stand them up, and then just do like a kind of a walk around, or like a kind of a profile angle, so you can see what it's gonna look like with all the wheels on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this net. Then after the net, you have some more styrofoam, and then this is my favorite part. You had this it's like this film that is, I'm assuming, for protection, and I just love what the detail with these wheels, and they did such a good job. These aren't painted. These are actually like steel milled. It's like a billet kind of, but it's just detailed. I don't even know if my phone can pick it up. Oh yeah, there it is right there. So it is such a clean. There's a good angle. So you can actually see like the chatter of the machining, and actually it comes to a point. Let me see if I can focus in on that. It's kind of hard to see, guys, but there's a high point. Oh, right there. Right there, you can see it. There's like a high point in each letter. So like the detail is just so phenomenal. And these like dominant lines to kind of give you like I have seen a clip of these rear wheels, and they have like almost the like the tire letter like rotation, like when you when you drive, you can actually see it like spinning, so it kind of makes your eye go to that part of the car. It's really nice, guys. Center cap is protected by the plastic. The inside where the acorns sit are really nice, guys. This is just a really nice wheel. So this is the 18 by 5. The backs are 17 by 10. So these are obviously going to be for the track. I went and bought a Mickey Thompson Sportman SR. It's a 28 by 6 by 18 LT wheel or tire for it. So this is a 6-inch tire, which honestly isn't even really that thin. I did see online they had 4.5s for 4-inch wheels. These are 5-inch wheels, and then you get 6 inches on the tire, which I think is going to be a little better if I want to kind of ride them on the streets for cruising, or like I don't know, like a parking lot meet or something like that, or like a drive-in. I can definitely rock these for a little bit to and from the track, around town here and there, kind of do some 0-60 pulls, see how they handle. Not handle as far as like corners or anything like that, obviously, but to see how much weight these guys actually take off. So there's the tire. Mickey Thompson, I gotta clean them up. So guys, right now I only have one tire. Again, I waited till Black Friday. I did find one single tire, brand new, for $199. Normally these guys are $530 for 2. So I saved quite a bit on finding the one tire for that lower price. You can also get them singly for $260. So I'm gonna wait because, you know, this car's down for, I don't know, maybe, you know, 4 months, 3 months, something like that. So my plan is to do the pulley, the Demon Killer springs, and then these wheels kind of all at the same time. The pulley has been installed, but unfortunately there was a leak on the seal. So I've been in close contact with Brian Scott. There is a revised version of the pulley, as you guys probably have seen. So we're gonna work something out, and I'm actually going to just swap that one out with the revised style, put a new seal in it. Hopefully that should be dialed right in. I have the 180-degree thermostat that I'm going to install also, that I did Hemi Orange to kind of tie in the coils. So I'm pretty excited for that as well. But back to the wheels. The plan is to get these mounted. I'm going to wait to see if I can get a better deal on one of the tires. May save a little bit more money. If not, I'll just buy a single for $265. So that'll be less than $500 in tires, which will be another savings. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and this is a very light wheel. I mean, it's so light. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand this puppy up. We're gonna be pretty short there. Give me 1 second. Okay. So we have no tire, so I'm gonna be very careful with this. Okay. Oh yes, that is good. That is good stuff. That is good stuff. Okay. Let me move this. And I have a 3-year-old, so that my garage is an absolute disaster. So there it is. I mean, it doesn't get much. Get my phone off here. So it doesn't get much cooler than that. It's so sick when it's very, very dark, like how the shadow's casting on the car. You can't see anything except like the billet detail on the wheels. It's just, with the all black look, I absolutely love it. These are gonna look so nice. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna post this video online on my channel. Check it out. the unboxing was really fun. In about a week or two, I'll be receiving the orange Demon Killer Springs, so I'll do an unboxing on those guys too. And but the unboxing of these guys are really nice. Just the detail and just the craftsmanship on like the packing and stuff like that. I was just really impressed with. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. I'll take some photos of this and I'll also post them on some of the pages and forums. These are actually Mustang wheels. I don't know if anyone has really ran these on the Charger or Challenger chassis really. But yeah, that's basically all I have today. Thanks for watching, guys.